Hi guys, it's been a while. I haven't really been feeling it. Like, not that I don't want to cook. It's like, I don't know. It's. Hi guys, how's everyone doing? It's been a minute. I haven't really been posting, or actually I haven't even really been recording. So it's been difficult week, but everybody goes through it. I'm making like a midnight little salad because I'm trying to eat healthy. So not really a big recipe tonight. Just talking about like struggles of a mom, of a woman, and anyone who's going through some stuff. I haven't been really sleeping lately, so, and eating bad foods has been getting me in trouble with my weight and stuff. Not that I care. I'm just doing celery, green onion, tomato, some red onion, and some arugula. That's all I got, but it's a pretty good sized salad. It'll be really good to put something fresh instead of something with carbs or a lot of cheese, even though that's my favorite. Anyway, chop these bad boys up. I don't want that much celery. But yeah, I think personal journeys are really difficult. And like I said, I haven't really been recording. I've had some struggles with getting in front of the camera and being vulnerable and being my natural self. It's hard. It's harder than I thought it would be. In front of people, it's easy. Like, if you know me, you know I'm usually pretty social and I can speak too much sometimes, if you know me. But like I said, me and my kids, this is our new routine. They're actually sleeping right now, which is awesome. So I get some mommy time, which I usually fall asleep putting them to sleep because I'm so darn exhausted. But like I said, nice little fresh salad, nice fresh produce. All I'm gonna do for dressing too is just olive oil and salt. Very simple, it's delicious, it works. But I'd like some of you, if you are going through anything, to always leave comments, always, let some of us know that we're not alone and that we all struggle with whatever it is that we do, or whatever it is that we thrive to do, which is, for moms, it's just to make sure your kids are happy and you give them the life that either you had or didn't have, or just a better life in general. Rough world we're in right now. Ooh, these purple onions. They're so good though. Off the subject. But, it's ups and downs, and it's sometimes rough. It's sometimes rough to deal with. So, I know I have a couple friends going through that stuff, and we struggle, and it's hard to let people in to understand our struggle, and you may not know what good of friends you have around you when you open up a little bit. And people care. People really do care. Doesn't seem like the world we live in right now, people care, but you'd be surprised. You really would. I've been very blessed with good people in my life, family, friends that became family. It's great. My kids are very lucky to have so many people love them. So I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil. I think I grabbed a lemon. Do some lemon, olive oil, and salt. That's my dressing. Playing it safe. Plus, a lot of dressings have too much salt and sugar in it, so I like to regulate my own salt. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon over it. dead leaf. Put that in my sink. Do a little bit of salt. Throw my veggies in. I have some red wine vinegar that I might add in as well. Balance it out a little bit. Vinegar is not really gonna hurt you. Mix it good. Arugula is gonna wilt right away because that's just the kind of leaf it is. Always taste that. I may need to balance it out with a little bit of, what did I say? Red wine vinaigrette. Little red wine vinaigrette, balance it out. A little dash of this, maybe another dash. So probably like 2 tablespoons. Brand new. Sprinkle some oregano over it. Kind of make it like a little bit of a Greek salad. I don't know why I'm wasting more plates. I'm only serving myself, but looks pretty though. There we go. Put a little bit of salt on the top. I love salt, so I oversalt some stuff sometimes, but it's really good. Salute. Mommy's nightcap. And voila. Little midnight healthy snack. So please like, subscribe, comment below. Like what I was saying, it's always good to know that you have people that are going through the same stuff as you. So if you ever had a comment that you wanted to put down, don't be afraid to. I love arugula. It's got like a peppery flavor to it. Have a good evening, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below.